speisialta go how to Gael lumsa Síomha.
Agus lumsa Louise, a chuirde táimid an sutton áit nua Síomha nach chuilmuid.
Táimid teacht buíochas in mBaile fib of all places.
Yeah, I know. And listen, you're going to know what this is all about. We said weeks ago we're in Bodshog, Gorawmer, Agdal, Erin Moher, and that we were going to do an episode with three. We were going to do it in one of our listeners' house. By the way, ye entered, listeners, to have us, to host us. So in Shaw, Táimid Landalta.
Yeah, one lucky winner is Isteach Síomha Linn. He'll be joining us very soon, and he's got a big gang lesh. Come on.
Woo! I know, there are literally hundreds of people here. I can't contain it. I know, Táimid delighted events, and actually, can we just say, getting to snoop into someone's house, there's no feeling like it.
It's a gorgeous house.
I know it is.
Contig fab.
There's one wall, lads, that's floor to ceiling window. Now.
Yeah, cool and tig. It's a gorgeous house. Like we couldn't have picked a better house to go live from.
It's giving Dermot Bannon like light boxes.
It is. He loves a glass wall back of a house.
Yeah. Agus coolamar chumag when she takes a crook, green graph and a pictori. They've repainted. There's scented candles.
They've reupholstered.
Yeah,
they really rolled out the red carpet doing a new. Yeah.
Agus Toshiva rattling the quarter. Bill Butts was shooting it roaring.
Yeah, I put my maternity leave on pause. Not one night only, 2 nights only, because I did the late show. But I said I'd come out for Patrick Kilty and for Kevin O'Brien on a 5 minute Larry Lesh again. Tommy joke now. Yeah.
Like, what are you trying to tell us, Síomha? That like the studio isn't good enough, you don't like me in there, and you just want to be with us when there's a live camera crew and an audience. Perfect message.
Not clear about that.
Well, come here. A chuirde féachar, Síomha. 8 weeks postpartum?
8 weeks. Yeah.
And why the fuck does she keep getting ridier?
Sorry. Breastfeeding, that's all I can say. It's great.
Yeah, I can't start to. Shut up.
Try it sometime. Honestly, it's great. I'm great. I'm brilliant now. And do you know what? Especially Únta gur féilm kind of, I can dip my toe with shock over the Ibra and shut us and shoot. Because I know for some women, like going back to like 9 to 5, which most people do, it's really scary. So I'm kind of glad I'm really lucky I can just dip in and shut, RTE, take Kevin.
I know.
It's a nice way to kind of roll back into it.
Yeah.
But I was fuming that I came back this week and not last week because I didn't get to pull an April Fool's on yourself and Darren.
Well, listen, it's fine because I'm still recovering from the PTSD of last year.
The Uncounternary Coma, I don't know if Uncounternary.
Did you see
Joe
it?
Rogan? No. Oh, I played the best prank there in August Louise. I basically said, oh my God, we got an email. I got a producer to read it an email being like, Joe Rogan's gotten on to us saying he wants us to go over and talk about the cultural revival. And Darren and Louise went into full planning mode. They hook, line and sinker. It
was so embarrassing, right? To the point that like we couldn't even not share the video because it was that embarrassing. Like we just need to lean into this.
Really funny.
It was so embarrassing.
Louise is there like, we have to do it. He's got 7 million followers.
Yeah.
70 million followers.
Yeah. And then Darren's like, well, media training. We're doing nothing anyway unless you know what you're saying. And if you're going to embarrass us, and like, no, and it was all recorded.
If I do brand new sheer error, you know what? I'll reshare it just for anyone who hasn't seen it because I just need to re-embarrass the Maurice.
No need.
So I'm fuming now, not grabbing down. Where they can tell you from Lena, but I'm pleased you're hugging.
Yeah,
there's always a feature
not. No, we're fine, thanks. But yeah, Níl Doireann Lynn, as I told a big bad lie on our live and said she was off on a spicy date. That's a lie.
Why would you do that?
I don't. She'll kill me.
Waru?
She will. She'll actually physically
and
beat
me up.
And I was
thinking, you didn't actually say actually will she?
No, Toshi in London. Sorry.
Over.
Doireann is booked and busy. She's working overseas. I guess Toshi. No, Toshi Jane of Gigmore.
Toshi, a book all Ethel Tarashta Louise a warrior with her bare hands.
She's probably going to like physically fight me. But Toshi should alright because we've been a Jane of Anachud Shiva in your absence. Most recently, the Misha Agus there and he is the Gurkig and did you see us pole dancing?
Yeah, what the fuck?
Yeah. Like, okay, we're not a patch on Guillermo. I hear Guillermo does be doing live pole dancing at Mother.
So Guillermo was your pole dancer, Igurkig.
So we did a live show in the Opera House. Excusez-moi. Can we get a Bula bus for doing a live show in the Opera House? They are now, Kevin. They are now.
They're all A story now.
No, right. And we had. I'm so needy for applause, haven't I?
Yeah, it's okay.
It's like
when you have a live audience, you need to utilise it.
Yeah, you
do.
Alright,
I get it.
And or if it's not loud enough, just put in a clapping sound effect. The beauty of audio. This is why I work in radio.
Canned laughter is beautiful.
Yeah.
But
so
go on.
We did a live show in the Opera House, right? And we did this. We had an opening act called Trad-Array. It's trad meets cabaret. Trad-Array, right? So it was arousing fun. So we had Katie on the fiddle and singing. We had her fella, sorry that I forget your name, on the guitar and singing. And then we had Guillermo, who was our Brazilian pole dancer. Let me tell you, you have not lived until you've seen a man pole dance to Shularoon.
Shularoon?
It is.
Shularoon.
It is. Like, and you know, he was doing the ones where like he had a pair of platforms on and one leg was like wrapped around the top of the pole, the other was in a split. And it was, I'll tell you now how brave he is, a white pair of jocks.
Oh, wow.
One false move.
I know. Very, very sexy. And yeah, so myself and Darren tried to, do you know, like our naivety, we were like, we'll get up on the pole as well. Oh my God.
Do you know what Darren leaves them? She goes, the only thing about Darren, she could get no height. She could get no height on that pole.
You have to be really strong, and I wouldn't mind. Like,
Yeah.
I took a run at it, like Billy Big Balls here was like, like did gymnastics growing up. I'll be able to do this.
I guess.
If I did, have you ever got? I was gonna say pipe burn, like steel burn,
Pole burn.
Pole burn, inner thighs.
Yeah.
They were fucking raw.
Yeah, Darren A.
Raw.
But Keshagum,
No amount of Sudocrem would sort me out. I was in the horrors. Yeah.
You know, in Queek and Aaron's Darren, you shouldn't say trad, you should say traditional music. So was it traditional music aberray?
Traditional Kyola beret, yeah.
It doesn't really roll off the tongue.
No, it's trad array,
Okay.
and it was just like, I mean, come on. On Red FOMO, Earth.
No. Sorry, I'm in a baby bubble. Nothing gives me photo if we law her, you know? Yeah, sorry now. Sorry, I know. Oh, no,
Not even my pipe burn.
How to go? No, your pole burn. Your pole burn. How to Bella will always be my first baby.
Oh, yeah.
All right, so ní gael my darmadurf, but no, I was go bra now, so all
Yeah.
On Caterella though, I'll
know.
go up on that pole. I'll get the height.
Well, do you know what? Actually, we had a laugh, and I feel like it's like our neighbours story go gléim with Síomha ní Rialacha or Síomha ní Rourke, because she's the queen of the rules, right? And I swear to God, only for you, like de ganon or being there in Moher, Dane of show bios, showing a bio, she will have, you know, printed out. Do the really formal, like what do you call them? Cards, like Corty.
Oh, cue cards.
Cue cards. That you'd be, by the way,
Like a sane person.
great coasters. Yeah. So Síomha would have the how to Gael cue cards, and her note would be printed, stuck on Rayleigh. Me and Darren are down the opera house, right? Being like, does anyone have pen and paper? We write a few bullet points.
They have me.
No, it's very bad.
Sweating.
Yeah,
Sweating.
yeah.
But
And like, then you look over at Darren's bullet points, 3 words.
we survived. Darren
Yeah,
live.
yeah.
Okay, finish of show. Uncle Cool my girl share out a gurkig.
Sinead.
And on to Báile Fibinish. On to
Sinead.
Báile Shocked. Yeah.
Yeah. And you know, this is just actually our first Dublin show of the tour. Because
Oh,
so nGaeltacht, we will be in the Ambassador on the 8th of October.
Yes.
But I guess this is Níos Far, isn't it? Tig Kevin.
Tig Kevin.
Woo!
Woo!
Tig Kevin.
It's Christina Pubs to Ghaeilgeoir. Tig Kevin.
Yeah,
you know?
Tig Kevin.
Yeah. So by I'm Ghaeilgeoir le Kevin, Táimid can I hortus jock, tá she gonna bheith léin and not Darren on Teacht show. But Rivishin air our live, Cumar live our Instagram le 3 broadband August vi round killed where you going, and we had a gorgeous set of Ishbeen in a Heron. So Sulla Larry Middle Kevin, shut blasha, then Kjol August chat of Yagan le Ishbeen in a Heron.
Been for me trail us on Boher.
I have to go to Mongolia to start this one.
Go for it, man. I'll catch up with you.
In the merry month of June, from me home I started, left the girls in tune, nearly broken hearted, saluted father dear, to kiss me darling mother, drank a pint of beer, me grief and tears I smothered, then off to reap the corn, leave where I was born, caught a stout black corn to banish ghost and gobbling brand new pair of brogues, rattling all the bogs, frightening all the dogs, on the rocky road, the double in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hot the hair and turn her down the rocky road, all the ways the double in whack for Loudy down. In Mullingar that night I rested limbs so weird he started by daylight next morning bright and early took a drop of the pure to keep me heart from sinking, that's the paddy's cure. When early's on for drinking I see the lassies smile, laughing all the while at me curious style, but set your heart a bubble and ask me was I hired, wages I required till I was almost tired, on the rocky road the double in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hunt the hare and turn her down the rocky road, all the ways to double in whack for Loudy down. In Dublin next arrive I thought it'd be a pity to be so soon deprived the view of that fine city, and then I took a stroll all among the quality bundle in the stall. In the new locality something crossed my mind, when I looked behind the bundle could I find upon me stick a wobbling firing after the rock, then me corner frog wasn't much involved, on the rocky road the double in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hunt the hare and turn her down the rocky road, all the ways to double and whack for Loudy down. then the ploughed ahead, and he feared his never fail, and landed at the cages as they sit the sailing captain happy road. Chanting out the paddy when the jumped aboard, a cabin down for paddy, it was down among the pigs, play some hearty rigs, dance some hearty gigs, of water round me bubbling, melting holly head. Wish myself was dead, better Barney said, on the rocky road to Dublin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up the hair and turn her down the rocky road, all the ways to Dublin, back for Aldi. Now the boys in Liverpool, when the change we landed, called himself a fool, and putting around the stand, the book began to boil. Temper I was losing, poor old Aaron's on. They began abusing a rammy sounds, and joy to Lady Island Bride. Galway boys were buying, I was a hobbling with a loud parade, I lived in there and prayed, quickly cleared the way. For the rocky road to Dublin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up the hair and turn her down the rocky road, all the ways to Dublin, back for Aldi. Up the hair and turn her down the rocky road, all the ways to Dublin, back for Aldi. Up the hair and turn her down the rocky road, all the ways to Dublin, back for Aldi.
Oh my god.
Wow.
I'm back at Sinners.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm turning to the Sinners. That was way better than this
Yeah.
Sinners.
Actually, call me Keshker, Kate Bell Durst.
Bell there should Shin.
Yeah.
Shin Philip.
Oh, Philip.
Yeah.
Am I-
Actually, Carclore.
You need to Aubrey Philip
No,
talk
no,
to
no.
stock. Well, Philip is like vibrating in his house next
Michelle
door.
Gubber and talk and Red Talkton. So.
Oh, so this is
you know.
payback.
Yeah, exactly. Love you, Philip. Sorry.
It's been in Aaron. Do you have anything exciting coming up? You always are doing exciting bits.
Oh, yeah. Baby J.
Well, I think I'm staying over on yours tonight.
Don't be
I'm
talking.
gonna watch a film.
Oh, I'll have a fuck.
Sinners.
UCD,
Yeah, UCD on the 7th. Is it the 7th?
the 7th, yeah, and
That's free, but you have to get your tickets.
yeah,
online.
you have to sign up, fill out a form, give us your info.
That's it. And you have to say accept all cookies as well.
Yeah.
Just so you know.
That's what we made Kevin do as well, and a blood sample.
That's it.
That's
That's
it.
it.
That'd
That's
be
what
very
I'm
hard.
after.
Yeah.
Ah, biometrics. Yeah.
We're all staying here tonight. It's great.
August, Jim and the Mills.
Jim in the Mills, a
Jim in
dibber
the
of
Mills
Ireland.
on
Oh,
Saturday.
wow.
Yeah, Sue's
yeah.
to spare.
Yeah.
Well, what about that? A live session in Tig Kevin Boulabos Ish being in a hair. Kevin!
What is thought through? A slice of heaven in Átha Cliath 7. Le Kevin. Oh my god!
It's Phila-E.
Baby brain is leaving my body.
I know. And that's it. Now we can finish the podcast. Bye.
Kevin, Míle buíochas fáilte corón iad teacht áling. Yeah, now it was a bit of a shock now, Grev on crew or fád teacht the teacht.
Yeah, but Gael, Átha Cliath,
They're part of the furniture now.
Yes,
They're staying.
exactly. Yeah.
Now, in a stune, Kevin, who hain anyway, and why in the world did you want Átha Cliath to come to your house? Tell us.
Well, Kate Kester do, sorry.
Sure, a dog. Pay orange Gurvala.
Right, okay.
your house.
Cudas Tasha and Shaw, basically, Vuig make Mortis.
Yeah.
Or Dirtu, yes. And Tamaconi and Shaw, sorry, go on.
No, on Cain Fogger Kurt was shocker and Mortis.
Yeah.
I am a fan, guys. I am a fan. Are they fan of Ghaeilgeoir?
Look, oh no, sorry. Oh,
Look, Lanuna.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But sorry, can I just say on the Instagram live, he said he did it egg ply cucked.
I know. That's actually.
We have to keep you humble.
But you do.
guys.
And also, like, what?
Classic Kerryman.
Do you know?
Classic.
Do you know?
And also, can I just say, is there a dirtier word in the Irish or English language than fan? Like, sorry, you can't be having fans if you're Irish. Like, can you really?
No.
Do you know what I mean?
Well, you do have a few fans.
What about
I'm sure,
Apostle?
like-
Apostle.
Yeah, but what did you do?
Apostle?
Well, we are recording this on Holy Thursday, so to be fair, shout out to all the apostles. They were
Amen.
flat out this time of the year.
They were busy. Yeah,
they were.
booked and busy.
They are.
And
Yeah.
especially Judas.
They had a big supper.
Yeah.
Was this his day?
It was one
Judas
of
was flat out on Holy Thursday, wasn't he? Betraying.
Oh, because and then he was.
This was the
yeah,
day.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, let's not try and
Maybe.
figure out
Yeah.
Easter.
Let's. Yeah.
He was kissing Jesus.
He was.
I'm nearly sure.
Anyway,
Anyway. Yes.
That's not why we're here.
No.
It's not a religious
Tamaconi and
podcast.
Shaw le Niamh agus Eva.
one even
And Neil Díomh tá sé
Oh,
Sníomha number, sorry lads.
Oh, yeah.
But yeah, bhí mar gcónaí ag rá like, oh, we should do something here, lads. like tá spáscáil in like
Yeah.
ceol nó rud éigean pud craile.
Yeah.
So yeah, Kerryman Kevin going comórtas agus bhuaigh me.
Oh.
Happy days. Happy
And
days.
actually, it's gas because Vuig tussar right go randomach, and then ní raibh Síomha le bheith linn, and she was like, Darren and I were chatting, we were like, okay, so this is the winner's name, these are the details, and Síomha was like, fuck's sake, I know him. Yeah, it's so Irish.
Well, she'll sail na Ghaeilgeoir come on, like, she'll
Sin
sail na
fér.
Ghaeilgeoir cóbeog. So, Daibrig Misha le Drifor, Kevin, Idel, fan of Blianta, going to Ghaeilgeoir, and then Vulimer, Treat Idel. And we had a great time at Electric
We did.
Picnic. Gavill is a hook day, Gavill is a knee day, I want to say.
It's a cool quill, not
It's a cool
bad.
quill,
Yes.
yeah.
Cad horla, lads.
We were just bopping and dancing.
Great
Bobbing
crack.
and
Bhí me
dancing.
sé go around fresh.
right.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
were fine
yeah.
over. It was all above board.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, it was
All right.
April Fools!
We'll edit out that one. Edit out the wing.
Do you know what though? Cúpla bhína in there hosig sibh céin coadas tá sibh géine bheith.
Trí bhliain.
Trí bhliain.
Sure.
Where she
Yeah.
was toddler.
Triblina.
We're nearly 3. Yeah.
Yeah.
But hánig ceantas my memory suas at Facebook and I was like, Idel, an sin dúirnig lachan if Victory. Nervous mission better like shade. Well, no, Uckjeg. So Conra. So
Erleshka.
Hey, Globe on Conra.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
and I was just like, is that dirty? She was like, yeah, sure, Táinig come here if I
Yeah,
bleed
bleed,
depression.
yeah.
And I was like, gas.
Yeah.
So picture it, I don't think I've ever met her.
So you had a picture with
But
Darren before she was famous.
before she was How to Train
Yeah,
Lads,
before you
know.
were a fan.
Yeah, exactly, exactly, exactly.
Dirty word.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, come here. Speaking of fans, you're friends of another, was someone I'm a fan of, Kerry Cowboy.
Oh, of course, yes.
Sure, show no Cana.
Well, tá sé ó Clorglin agus
Yeah.
mis as Kiri Haas, so big on in East Esha. Do you
Yeah.
know what I mean? So.
Now, come on,
In
William.
both sense of the words, Nice Desha.
Yeah, exactly. Yes, that was what I was trying to do. No one laughed. It was great. It
Direct
laughed.
shade. Come on, you're meant to be his fan club.
Kevin's
Kevin's fan. Now, Inistún on Fader like, well, ain, you know, Tay, the dirt that got there, Shane. Can we spill the tea on Shane O'Sullivan?
No.
No.
But hold on.
Not at
Shane-
all.
So Shane O'Sullivan is Adam though, but literally in Shea Adam. No, you had a great nickname for him.
Come on.
Lads, I can't.
No,
No,
you can.
Oh no, because it's not a nickname. It's just like
You can edit this out.
Just
Yeah, we
boss
can,
off
we can,
Alta.
yes.
No, cúpla bleed. So Táinig go mar Shane ar feag na blínta,
You're
right?
not editing this out.
And cúpla bleed ó hyn, dahrig sé anam ar Insta Nordagan ní cuilum and go Sean ach on
SEAGHAN.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
So ceantas na cordda dédal bhí sé híos a gcóir ag sin na bridóige nó ainscéil sin plug actually ainscéil féilidal.
Wow.
But-
Fail a dog.
And
Here he has.
yes.
Oh,
No, you were on fire. Yes.
Sorry.
Speaking in rhymes. Spitting
but-
bars.
Purely intentional. Yeah. Yeah.
Kneecap are shaking. In the
Because you're terrified.
Yeah.
We're terrified.
Well, yeah, so dahrig sé anam ar Insta Nordagan and
Yeah.
bhí sé dúirtanégan who's a lad Susan sin shagan no way. And Capum Garevis, no, actually no, stuck
No,
him in a
Shaggin
no.
would be delighted. The cowboy would be so thrilled to feature.
Sorry, Shaggin
Shaggin,
O'Sullivan
the neck.
on Tanham
Stop
is
it, guys.
far.
Stop.
For Coolame, Reeve Mahale. And I would be complaining if that was my nickname. Alright, that's all
Yeah.
I'm saying.
But what goes on Snowch in Igiri? Is it a good spot to be?
Oh
Because
my
I
gosh,
feel
yeah.
like, right, this is on board Togumsa, August Shinna in our Saw in Dublin 7, and it's all feeling a bit Buíochas. I'm like, this is the Munster podcast.
Oh my god, of course.
Sorry, like, hello.
Yeah.
Honorary Limerick woman in Ackilum, and so she when you work with Lisquave lads were you born? She's born in Galway.
Born in Galway.
To Limerick mother.
Oh.
Two Limerick
Susan
Mother.
Galway.
West
Up Galway.
West of Ireland.
Yeah,
Yes.
but it's all Buíochas though, and we are recording in Buíochas. So how is this a Munster podcast?
Girl, very outnumbered. Here
Yes.
unite.
And Kasha
Where were you born?
and
Were you born in Tralee?
Kirkig.
Grand. Down the road. Perfect.
Sinead,
Scott
like-
Try's born in Kerry Forest. I cover
Exactly.
that.
So is this podcast just how to be Munster?
Yeah.
Oh, I can tell you, like, anytime, yeah.
Oh, go on.
Go on.
No.
Go on, Kevin.
Ask Shaganation. You know what I
Do you know what he would say?
What?
All you have to do now is go out into the field and run around after the horses and, the cows.
And shag.
Actually, are cool to count us the hot takes, Shane. It was like
Like the whole.
it was like that drinking oat milk was something of a colonial mindset or a colonized mindset or something like this.
Well, now I'd agree with him because how do you milk an oat? Do you know?
Exactly.
You can't be milking oats.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But actually, Arashka Kiri has though. Right?
Yeah,
You know?
yeah. Let's
So
have
mis
it
as a glown, right?
Yeah.
Tá sé páirteach le Ghaeilgeoir and dúirt Dini fag Tomlin Grove Shimmer Bray Ghaeilgeoir, which obviously it wasn't. Thank you
No,
very much.
fake news.
Exactly, thank you.
Yeah.
But it's on the way back, definitely. There's actually statistics to show it's like nearly 20% back, 20% increase in Irish daily speakers.
Brilliant.
Daily Irish speakers.
On counter Gael the Islu Satir.
Ní capam actually.
No. Oh, right.
Beidir go bhfuil sé.
Beidir will rock car ní Slú actually oh hey
Yes.
Crufta, but
Yeah.
it's Cowan and Aquinas is Slú.
Oh
right?
yeah, and agus tá sé size Bristol Sue like, you know, like in some town lads, one neighbour mightn't be in the Gaeltacht and another neighbour would.
Of
It's
course.
really
Yeah.
So sin an fá beidir go bhfuil sé, but like tá sé ag fiasú,
Yeah.
like cosúla gachot.
Yeah.
Now, could they on áit is fearle dul go lan?
Oh, Driftwood.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh.
So tá Bílan sa Glown, actually plug again, it's owned by my cousin. Ibrahim Grahara.
I love Ireland so much for this, like, yeah.
But there's nothing else. We have a chocolate factory, a restaurant,
Perfect.
a church, and a school. That's
And a
it.
few puffins.
And a few puffins.
Yeah. No, but hold on. Let's say Rashkely Marvy Meg. You're allowed
Sorry,
that for
yes.
the shoploid. Let's
Yeah.
talk about the shoploid.
Yes.
That is beautiful.
Skellig.
Tis good.
Chocolate.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you like
I actually used to work there.
Did
yeah,
you?
Dibber me on a factory. Yeah.
Right, Willy Wonka.
I know, right? Any more insults? Come on, Louise. Like, we only met today, girl.
like kind of on Tyrone, it's like, come with me and you'll see the world of your imagination.
Sorry, but actually, Erin Shin Gamor, because like you're overlooking the Skelligs, you know, it's very romanceul.
You're wearing the purple top hat,
Yeah.
you're doing your tumbles.
Yeah.
All the
Why
time.
the fuck are you in Dublin 7? What got into you? Are you okay? You okay, hon?
At the moment. No. I actually came here for a Gor Closhta. If you may used to fag Caroline. Yeah. And then Husk me Gubber, more Corlor Immerkick, more Dirk me.
Oh wow.
And then Cook me Rash Wally or fag Couple Bean, but Honey May Rash is even unblockly.
Really?
Yeah.
Woohoo.
So she showed my like
The Valianish.
well, as well as Kiri. You know,
Yeah,
don't
yeah,
let my
yeah.
mother hear that. Like,
Okay,
you know what I mean?
okay, yeah.
Yeah.
I think the clown more August as well, you know.
Yeah, tá cougar again.
Oh, cougar. Okay,
So Bercher Har and Bercher Four.
Okay.
Ach Níl just Grahar once Wallianish.
Oh, really? Got
Yeah.
yeah. And on Larry and Chief Gael Gasawalia, August Gasawalia.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Well,
okay.
like we would have, and like Fos Larry Mead actually, just like the last couple of years, Tommy declared a wad nismo. Do you know what I mean?
Dell's influence.
Dell's influence. August. Do you know what it is? It's like. Når Honey make a block clear, I used to speak way more Irish in shop because it wasn't cool when I was leaving school to speak Irish.
Vimer kun shinna flay like nor vog mishtum logly at Cador, it was only 3 blino hin. So I was kind of near shinna egg bug and so and like I couldn't get over it. I was like Marthal 3 Ghaeilgeoir and so and I was like it's actually this them of a
yeah, well, it's deadly. Mar vog shift block Lia and kind of on Cade Pubble Garev shift Mar Quidda was Pubble na Ghaeilge. So Kirch of Atna Erguini because Dini Gerwil Shivlo it was 3 Ghaeilge. That was your default language, which is on Rodis Far or Room Silidina August Shin kind of on Changa Socialta at Adrev. So Hanitas like Wohi to Grev Pubble more Ghaeilge Malaki and Wog to Hus.
Well, Shannon actually Countess na fog or hodding meg or Kablotli more like nervous and Zoiga like Honamisus Gui Deller Fag Der Shafton and like Kumark D on Conra, Sachinella and like Vishay Dane of Nagailoigas for the Marshall. So I just saw this mad community of everyone and anyone. And I was like, oh my god, I want to be part of that.
Yeah. And I thought the Riva Club on Conra.
V,
Okay, come on.
But she's sorry, actually Fostic Shiva Misha, the job and she put me working.
They always do, don't they?
Always do.
They
Solid
always
Ribbon
do.
Patrick and Michaela, she had me giving a talk, if you don't mind.
I
Club
did,
in Conra.
yeah.
What was I inspiring people on?
Yeah, you were Glarishla na Mick Lane. I was trained on a Mick Lane.
Oh, fair play.
Yeah. So I wanted someone inspirational, but I could only find Louise.
I was cheap again now.
I was never asked to do a talk at those, but I did help out.
Yeah, you did help out.
Yeah,
no,
yeah.
he's had cool about them, but like it's gas because Kublata. Well, I tell you, I was there one night. I guess on Ian Harron or show.
Oh,
that was
yeah.
at Kate Law Seville.
Shinsize D and O
It
in
used
America.
to be like
what's it called?
It was like
an Iha Ironiacta, is it?
It's
was
Club na
an-
Harana.
Club na Harana.
Yeah. Unpio America na when.
Yeah, but thought she'd on a yin, like you have to.
Ani and his kingdom. I guess Cara more than.
Ani Aslat, sorry.
Well, Dara Queeve had a good birthday.
Yes.
Yeah. August Vishan and Clachta, because Gackrot, because really Daria or Fuin Rod.
Oh, yeah,
when
thought
you're
she'd really
Higme
Daria.
Keiko.
No.
Daria.
You can't can't just go in and rattle off.
my shawl.
No.
Just come, yeah.
No.
No, but it's true. I'm more not good to fós Roscoe, but look.
Well, babe,
your
why your rash?
Yeah,
They're just a bit of a everywhere,
Yeah,
you know.
Sinead.
Well, Coran Tuhul car this Somalia.
No.
No.
Tá sé sin, like, Takiri Kotor lad sin and...
Oh, stop boasting, Kevin.
Come on, guys. But there are two goals to Ghaeilgeoir
Size
Lose, so I have to
doesn't
bring it back.
matter, okay?
Did I tell you my parents are Ballyhigers? North Kerry.
Near there to Ballyhige, there to Curie.
There you go, Ballyhige.
That changes
It
things.
does, yeah. We're North
Oh.
Hurling country. Listen, it does though.
But no,
it
do you know,
does.
people always,
Yeah.
when I first started
The
going out
wild.
with Connor, he was always just like, why? Oh yeah, Connor.
Tá búcail cara Kevin sa Shomra. Agus é go háling agus is Ghaeilgeoir, come on.
Should I?
Yeah.
Shiva has a thing for Buckley Liguru though.
I do.
She
As do
does.
I.
Watch
clearly.
out. Watch out.
That and Earl Grey.
Oh no, we won't say that on this pod, Crayla. It's on the live. You can watch back the live.
Can you actually watch back lives? You can.
Please God.
Oh yeah, fingers crossed. No, that was just
not
more for me.
gold.
But when I first started going out with him, he was like, "Why do you always say South Kerry?" And I was like, "Because there is a difference, guys.
Yeah.
There is a massive difference,
Yeah.
and whether it's snobbery or what, I don't know."
Well, they don't talk like you in MBaile in North Kerry.
But Níl Doireann more could doesn't need like my accent's neutralised a lot
Yeah,
since
yeah,
I came
it
to
has.
Dublin.
So Kerry didn't count Reg Sula and Kerry. Like you'd say South Kerry? Or
South Kerry, Dingle, North Kerry.
That's West kind of, yeah.
Yeah.
North
but hold on,
Kerry.
is it 3 or is there 4 kind of like areas?
But there is
Mid
4,
Kerry.
but like Dingle is just west.
But
like,
I
you'd
need
always
you.
say.
I want you to rank them 1 to 4.
Well, South Kerry,
Shiva!
clearly.
Go on.
South Kerry,
Okay,
clearly.
is
Like,
number
it's like
1.
your hidden secret, like Tá Skellig's down, Ilan Darva, on Clown, Scotland.
Here we go, tourism board. All
I
right.
know.
Okay, that's it for Hain.
Shin Tá Dangan,
Okay.
and Shin Tá North Kerry.
Okay.
And Shin
Like
Tá
with
East
Banna,
Kerry.
I was thinking like in
Oh,
fairness,
gorge,
studying
yeah.
is East Kerry like Castle Island and stuff?
East Kerry would be more like Kilgarvan,
Oh, yeah.
Kinmare.
Never heard of her.
Yeah. Do you know?
No, lovely
So
places.
lovely as
but,
well.
like,
They're
I don't know
all
why I look at the
lovely.
microphone.
No, I know. You're all lovely. No, this one, it's gas though, isn't it? Like
I
I've
know.
never, and like I'm a child of 2 very proud Kerry people, and I swear to God, I don't know what it is about them. Like, you know, my father has lived
we're
for
worse than
30
Cork
over
people, like.
30 years
And that sounds
in
like
Limerick, and he will still like people will ask him, you know, where are you from? And he's like, Kerry. Where Kerry? I'm like, Dad,
know.
no. You like,
I think there's a difference between Kerry and Cork people is that we're not as loud, but if someone asks us,
yeah.
we will ream it off.
Oh my God.
It's like we don't feel the need
Yeah,
to tell.
yeah, yeah.
We're a bit more snooty
It's a
about
quiet
it.
confidence.
Yes.
It's a quiet confidence.
Welsh whispers.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Old money. Yeah. I know.
And then hold on, Cain Cundea Ella talking to Shomar. I know we have Kildara, we have Gaelgeoir. What else have we got? Woohoo! Evalia.
South Kerry.
Hey!
Báile Cliath. Agus Gaelgeoir Varísh. Okay, we were.
The West is awake.
Yay!
Brother venues Desha. Like, do you know what I mean? Is there something about being from the West of Ireland? Like,
Oh God, there is.
come with Banha.
Yeah.
Come with not
Had they Banagher?
Banha, are we blessed?
Less.
Less.
Yeah, Banagher.
Yeah. Banagher agus Banagher.
Tell me, is it worth getting on one of those expensive ferries out from Port McGee to the Skelligs?
Oh God, yeah.
Would you have any contacts for us?
Of course.
Do you know someone with a boat?
Legal or illegal?
And then it wasn't that where they filmed some of Star Wars. It was Traston and Shin, wasn't it?
Yes, it
But
was.
you know what? The cheek of Count Shibale, the hotel in Dingle, they have like they've got a big Star Wars figurine, like a life-size one outside the
but it's
hotel.
fine because they also filmed down in
They
Commie
did.
Old.
Oh, did they?
Now,
Okay.
And like in fairness, then you have the Skellig Hotel in Dingle, and we're in Turbine too. Like, can't follow it. But if you go out by Dunquin,
It's Fader and Skelligs go follow Ashkent. Okay.
Because Neil Shea Kodas is Toshe.
Oh, meow.
But it's just observation.
Do you know what? I was actually talked to Wale Etel Donu Arach Ledani, and Blind Boy has a documentary, Clorvoshnation, Dental and RTE, right? And it's done out in Skellig Michael, it's done out in Skellig Kiel, and it's all about like the monks that used to live out there.
Oh, yeah.
And it's actually brilliant to watch it and to see it, and just Toshe go like Ir Gulta.
Yeah.
And it's a real like wonder of the world almost.
It's
isn't
really
it?
core come on, because like if one rash got out there, it would destroy the kind of ecosystem and the puffins and everything. So
Yeah.
it's really core between the legal and she to mock though. So I don't know if you'd get in.
Sorry,
I don't know why I'm like.
do you know what?
No, I love it.
Motherhood
We're just
has
getting
made
back
her
into
such a
it, like.
bitch. Can you imagine Shiva Mardavami? But she's going to be co-crossed. I can see her now.
I know.
Yes.
Not J Nation. Not J Nation.
Read it, Kev, read
Sorry,
it, Kev.
it's in my blood.
I'd say you'd be more gentle parenting, no?
No way.
Yeah.
Oh! I haven't met you there down top.
I know, I think so. I think I'd be gentle parenting. They'd be like up the walls and I'd be like, no, ní denim with a shin. Yeah.
Sit down there now, okay? We're going to talk about your day, all right?
Okay, come on, book a ride, okay?
Come on, don't go down though.
Come on, don't go down. So, Sulla Creek me and Wid, tá quiz come this,
Oh,
okay?
fab.
It's quiz Átha Cliath. Now, I know
Oh,
good thing Sulla
gorge.
Deb Lena now, so we're going to really test your Olis.
An féilm just rudig an bháin ará.
God.
Faoi féile ein scéal.
Oh, go on.
Yeah, beg sé mí na meán for an
Okay.
bblin seo. Féic na meán speisialta. It's a festival that my sister organises about storytelling. Music, everything. We've had all the greats there so far, apart from me, obviously. But we had Pierce O'Lurk on, Blonde.
Oh.
We had Maeve Mulligan, an early freshen, and yeah, it'll be on third last weekend, I think, in September. Yes, Míle MÍle. And
that's Hiasagiri Haas.
Hiasagiri Haas, the Glown, Ballingeleg, and Drummond.
Now,
Yes.
Kesh
Yes.
now that we're like cuidiú, etc.,
Yes.
can we say in your gaff and
Oh
Kerry?
my god, of course.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Then we'll be the fans.
Yeah.
We actually do have a house, like, literally
Do you?
air and traw fresh.
Okay,
beautiful.
but on a stock
Yeah, top of the
Yeah.
top. Okay,
Gone
brilliant.
5 lads.
Fair play, Elaine.
Sorry, brother.
Fair play.
Now, tá quiz So, sé ceist faoi Ghaeilgeoir Átha Cliath to see how much you've integrated, all right? Okay. You need a corridor Immerkig for getting into Blockley in there, right? Okay. Ceist a hain. Caint Shráid, RV, Club on Conarha, Suller Goon sé.
Shard ar core.
On a what?
Yeah.
Cáhfuil on Lor Unid, Ghaeilgeoir Oris Cronon Lunathe. So it's like Brooke Valya. It's like a suburb in Baile Cliath and tá Lor Unid Ghaeilgeoir out there on Oris Cronon.
Tala?
Beagnach, Clúndulcán. No, am I right? Jesus, Clúndulcán. Yeah, Germal.
I was going to say, I thought that was going to be such a Shiva cash, like Laucon is the answer. Laucon.
It is Dublin West. Yeah. Clúndulcán. But you weren't far. Yeah, okay. Cé Ceistelle. Creeknig Anam on Club Lucas Gael. I mean Tree Ghaeilgeoir. Na, Gael.
Oiga.
Woohoo! What a walk.
And I'm reading two Lucas Gael.
No. But actually, we may could me go and style Gaelak couple of years near Vivek Misha, but I went first.
Have you
Yeah.
heard of Unstal Gaelach?
No,
That's
go on.
like-
It's a big.
Yeah.
Go on, you make
It's like the lovely ladies competition at Gorna Buckley.
Go on.
Yeah,
You
and
all have
we-
lovely bottoms. What do you have to do?
Actually, Conway, I rapped Super Bass. I know
No,
Nicki
sorry, you
Minaj
need to
is
do an
cancelled,
issue.
but
Please
like
don't.
Super Bass
she's
awesome.
cancelled,
She's cancelled.
Nish.
But are Conto as Gaelge?
No, Asperla.
Oh.
I don't know, Visha Shin Metalun, like literally last minute, of course. But
Yeah.
we blown in the coffee more on
On Wolf.
On
Yeah.
Stop.
Love.
yeah.
This
Yeah.
one's like and the boom assist and count
I
in.
can't yeah, exactly.
There you go. Sorry, she's cancelled.
I can't remember Kate
Kate
Booming.
Booming. Oh.
Obviously not me.
Yeah. Well, yeah.
Okay, great. Fella.
Sorry.
Cain Ghaeilge atá the Phoenix Park.
Park on Finishka.
On a wá. Céhhéad Gael Skull atá Baile Cliath. Is it 5 cuig, truck a hain, nu 2 cuig?
Quick.
Truck a hain.
Really?
Yeah, that's just Gael
Oh,
bun skull.
oh,
Bun skull.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ucht Gael Colashta, but anyway.
Yeah.
And then on Ceist Dernach, Amnig Ciawn, then 3 stáisiún Radio Ghaeilge a bhín sé Craile ó Baile Cliath.
Radio Nalifa.
I can name the other two.
Re-raw.
Rewrite would need.
Sorry, this is radio.
Sorry, this is my mastermind topic of
Sorry, Radio Rewrite, of course.
Yeah.
And then Orna G.
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect.
August today FM Garmalone.
We actually show them Rewrite.
Oh, Rev!
Rev.
You've got competition, Louise.
Sorry.
Culture Sakahar.
Were you any
Oh,
good?
no.
Oh, small I'm soon.
And do you know what? Do
Yeah.
it to Emma Griffey and Cam and show us far like y'all.
Emma is Bonastor Radio
Yes,
Reraw.
sorry,
Yeah,
I am.
shout out Emma, shout out
Yeah.
Radio Reraw.
Sween have come to Tutta August the Cowboy like Haley who do cultures and cowboys the car.
Shagging away.
Shagging. It could
Sorry,
be a sex podcast. Yay. Well, Vishishin Anna Honest Briol Gur Míle MÍLE. Tom, actually, my comport and so like, can we stay for the night?
Of course.
Are
we
you going out?
can.
Yeah, Kevin made he made his own creme de cassis. You were thinking?
Actually, Lucy G makes that, but yeah, I'll take the credit. That'll be very
Well,
like.
he made us a gorgeous drink. That's all that's
We
important.
landed
to us,
in and
okay?
got a Cur Royal.
Yeah.
Royale?
Cure Royale.
Royale. Sorry,
girl.
come let's go name Frankie Trova. Anyway, a note to Shin, Yup agus Yacht the Shachtana, Gahana Tapam.
Okay.
Yup na Shachtana, can I go or deuce? This
Yeah,
is
you can.
we pick something that makes us go yup and yak. Yup has
I
to
am a
be
fan.
take Kevin.
You're up to shocking it.
It's Kevin is up to shocking.
Big Kevin, August Ford Kevin, August Gofford. We should just go hauling. And then can we come to you for yock na shockna? Something that made you go yock and talk and show.
Oh.
Into the bin this week with what?
I actually called my go Loon Teresh Bonish. That was a bit of a yock.
Yeah.
Okay.
But like the yup was on Bonish, but on yock was
okay. You're talking now to someone who loses their voice twice a week.
Literally.
I've been to her in Ratty.
Oh my god, it's so bad.
Yeah, but she's like, hi, it's Louise.
So like actually for Brat Girl Summer I took up vaping and I know I've since given it up, it didn't suit me. And do you remember on Electric Picnic Shin, right? We were a mock on Downlock agus Viram Lever Radio in Lewin. Never forget it.
No, it was
so
really
look,
good on it.
since I've eased off the vape.
You know what? I think I vaped for a little while. Now I'm a mother now. I don't vape anymore. But I think it's done something to my vocal cords. I can't sing anymore without like two notes coming out at the same time. I've like split my vocal cords. I was googling it. I couldn't find anything on it. I'm a medical miracle.
That's PTSD trauma.
Okay,
y'all the shock that vape.
Vapes.
Sorry,
Yeah, this is
vape.
your Cora.
Okay, right.
Not vapal.
No, be a vapal.
Yeah, we need to face a campaign or something for Shin. You know?
There is one ongoing at the moment.
I saw that. HAC, Glencairn, all right?
Tom with Drake. Well, according to Gael, Shin, hey.
Yeah.
Keiko Das, the Visha Shin, Kevin Míle MÍLE.
Yeah,
I never want to do a podcast anywhere else again.
Yeah, it's felt like they're in
Thank you so much.
I'm feeling
great handshake, slightly sweaty.
I know. I'm very nervous, guys.
Okay, I'm taking cheers. Salam.